Hi beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel Visual Hairstylist. I hope you all are fine. So guys, I warmly welcome to you my YouTube channel. If you visit my channel for the very first time, I want to tell you that this channel is created for those people who have a craze of hair fashion. So if you also have a craze of hair fashion, you can come on the right platform. In this platform, I will give you latest updates in hair fashion world. So guys, in this channel you can get latest hairstyles, trendy haircuts and bouncy hair dye color ideas, women's and girls both. So don't forget to like and share my videos and keep subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more new updates. So guys, basically my goal is to inspire our viewers to believe in self-confidence and to create their own unique style across all over the categories of fashion. So here you will find the latest trends in Visual Hairstylist. So guys, I am on a mission to promote the most unique, coolest and trendiest haircuts and hairstyles for all types of ages. So keep watching my videos and keep spotting me till the end. If you want to know more ideas, let me know in the comment section. I am trying to complete your request and bring up more new updates for you. So guys, you must watching my videos without skipping it and watching till the end. If you love my today content, then do share it with other people as well as your friends and family members. So let's come to the main point. So in my today content, I am sharing with you Cleopatra Bob Hairstyle. You can see in my video, I am sharing with you several pictures and Cleopatra Bob haircut ideas also. So as you know about that Bob haircut is very famous and trendy in 2022. Bob haircut has many categories. One of them is Cleopatra Bob. In this video, I am telling you that what is Cleopatra Bob haircut. Basically, Cleopatra original raven colored block of braids was in fact a wig worn by the gentry of ancient Egypt as a regal status symbol. So heads are shaved for cleanness and the freshly cut hair was woven into an angular bob before being decorated with turquoise beads and ornate gold pieces. So there is little bit history about Cleopatra. I am telling you that what is the Cleopatra hairstyle called. Basically from the time of Egyptian king Ptolemy I, the Ptolemaic queens wore the melon hairstyle with its segmented sections resembling a melon or gourd. So as you can see in my video, if you like this hairstyle, you can also take the idea from my video and make your personality and make your looks as well as like these beautiful celebrities. As you can see in my video, most of the celebrities were inspired with this haircut and all about like 90% people are like this bob haircut. As you know about that, a bob cut, also known as a bob, is a short to medium length haircut in which the hair is typically cut straight around the head at approximately jaw level but no longer than shoulder length, often with fringe or bangs at the front. So as you know about that, I am starting the series of bob haircut and I am also discussing different categories of bob haircut. If you want to know the more categories of bob haircut, you can visit my channel and watch the videos. So this is one of the beautiful and prettiest haircut which you are watching on the screen of your Android. So guys, I hope you also like this haircut and you are also love in this hairstyle and this beautiful, attractive and latest hairstyle change your personality and turn into a beautiful and charming girl. I am very excited to show you these beautiful, stunning and latest hairstyles in front of you. So guys, I work so hard for you with honesty. Please keep watching my videos and keep spotting me till the end. If you want to know more ideas, let me know in the comment section. I hope my today content is very helpful for you. Dear friends, please support me by sharing my videos with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and share my videos and keep subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more new updates. So guys, you must watching my videos without skipping it and watching till the end. So guys, I am starting the series of complete bob haircut, you can visit and watch. So guys, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon.